Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the new viral AI Sora 2 video completely for free. And yes, this method actually works for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. If you have been seeing those super realistic AI clips online and wondering how people make them, it's all done using Sora 2, OpenAI's latest video generation tool. Okay, let's get started. So first, what exactly is Sora 2? It's OpenAI's newest AI model that can generate full video just from text prompts, and the results will look insanely realistic. That's why it's going viral everywhere right now. But here's the catch. Sora 2 is still in a limited access, and you usually need an invite code to use it, like this. And plus, it's not yet available in all countries. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to try Sora 2 for free without any invite or special access. And here all you need to do is just open your browser and then just search for fitgo.ai, like this. And then once you're on the site, just log in with your Google account, and Fitgo will give you 20 free credits, like this. And since each video only costs about 10 credits, like this, you can generate 2 AI video for free. It's pretty cool, right? Next, let's test it out. After you log in, you will see the Sora Styles video generation page like this. And then you will see a prompt box like this. Just type your video on here. And then you can also upload an image to use as the first frame. But for this tutorial, I will just use a text prompt only. For example, like this. And then just select your video ratio. For TikTok or short, usually need a 9:16 ratio, like this, or portrait ratio. Just tap on it, and then after that just hit generate. And okay, like this, your AI generated Sora style video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. The motion, lighting, and the details look super realistic, almost like it's filmed with a real camera. And okay, that's it. That's how you can make viral Sora 2 AI videos for free using VidGo AI. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.